Hey there! Good morning, everyone! And today, kuyugi ko ninyo, or ipakita na ko ninyo ang akong, unsa ko magtuon. Yeah. Hello, shout out to Miss Zell. Hi, Miss. Welcome. And guys, welcome to my mini vlog. And before that, okay, maligot sa guys. Prepare.
A few moments later.
Hello there. So, humay na tagligo, no? As you can see, that's my, I love my curly hair. Basta. Anyway, humay na ako ligo. Actually, para na ako, himala na kayo na 30 minutes na lang po maligo. Like, before tag 1 hour na lang yan kayo. But after sa mga panghitabo lately, the earthquake, sa ka-trauma na ako, madok na ako magdugay sa CR, what if, mag-overthink na. So, now, human ako ligo, human ako prepare, and human ako go breakfast, so it's time to study. And now, I already have all my essentials. Yes, nanadinhi akong, of course, open, kasi mas prefer na ako magsuot. And also, my notebook, of course. And I have here my laptop. Okay, issue. I have here my laptop, okay? Sige. Ako sang, ang itaon ng, no, I need music. Bro, inani ko magtuon. Dapat na music para mas, I don't know, relax. Basta relax mo utok. Mas dali na ako, masabtan ako gitunan. And ma-relax ko, basta na ko like, background music. But before that, of course, before anything else, before you start sa imong mga buhaton, sa imong buhaton, start everything with a prayer. Okay?
So, dingi nga part no, kay pray na, tapos start na dahil nag-study after. Ayan na siya. Nag-suwat-suwat na ta dirang dapita, kay di man ta magsilbig di magsulat.
Sleep for a while now. Tuck me in just like a child now. So every time you hold me in your arms, I'm comfortable enough to feel you warm. It's heart in my soul, and I'm losing control. When you kiss my nose, the feeling shows. 'Cause you make me smile, baby, just take your time now. Holding me tight. Wherever you go.
Learn the aid of Almighty God and give me all the trust in society.
Wherever you go. You make me smile, even just for a while.
Okay. We need to friend people is already the aid of Almighty God in order to build a trust in humane society. And establish a government that shall embody Hello! Joke. Siguro most people na naka-storya, might be wondering, at your age, asa man na mo nakuha ng mga yun anak nga mindset? Like, wala lang, makuha lang nako siya by maminaw sa akong mama. Hilig kay siya ng, like, makistorya gani siya nimo na, basta, mustorya na gani akong mama, I really, pay attention kay, hindi na ako makuha, tanan akong, I don't know how to explain it. And isa pa sad, I do watch or listen to podcast just like now. After sa akong study session earlier, here I am watching this podcast sa sa YouTube kanang TED Talks, and currently watching this podcast with the title You Don't Find Happiness, You Create It, by Katarina Bloom. It's so good, guys.
Creating happiness and well-being. And a couple of years back, I co-authored a book on the science of happiness. But when
See? Dili lang kay mga life lessons lang imong makuha. Life hacks, ganun. Also, ma-improve pud gyud imong vocabulary. And ako, nabantayan ako sometimes makasunod pa ko sa accent sa speaker. But, mao to siya. Siguro man dagan man nato na magtanog mga videos but dili tanan nagkatanog video is like i-apply sa ilang kaugalingon ng ilang nadungog ilang nakita, but bas tanan ako nga ani nga sakto siya, dapat na ko ni buhaton, so mo na nag-shape sa ako so yeah. And that's all for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope nga na may nakatunan bisag gamay lang. Alright, goodbye and thank you so much for watching. See you in my next mini vlog.